guys, I'm Starce.
Kia ora, I'm Brooke,
And this is Fresh Tips with Brooke and Starce.
where we're going to give you some life hacks.
So let's get it.
Today we're going to talk about organizing your life, starting with our first tip, write out your list.
Write out your list, use your apps or notes. You could use a paper, or I like to use apps like Todoist. It's like a to-do app, and I do that every day. If you go shopping, write it down. You're going to forget something if you don't. I always forget something if I don't write it down. Second tip is get yourself a calendar.
It's definitely important to have a calendar. I have multiple. So I've got the big calendar that you can get from Typo. I've also got a calendar book, and I've got Google Calendar on my phone. But when I'm at home, I like to write things down, so it also helps me with my memory as well. Tip number 3, map out your routes.
Super important. This one, I'm going to give you a hack. If you don't use Waze, W-A-Z-E, look it up. It shows you where there's construction happening, traffic. For example, if you have work the next day, you can put in the settings, I have work tomorrow. Okay, what time do I have to leave to get to my destination at this time? Tip number 4, delegate tasks.
So don't take on everything yourself. If you work in a team, you'll have your role, they'll have their roles. We work with just one another, Starce and I, so we have to split everything in half. Starce makes the coffee in the morning, I drive. Try and be fair, okay? You're half it to the middle. And the 5th and last tip is to stay on top of your emails.
We actually have multiple emails, and it's... Why are you laughing? You're putting me off.
Because I'm the one who stays on top. You need help.
I think she has more tips than me.
I think it's important to stay on top of emails. You could miss opportunities. I'm just saying, if someone's emailing you wanting to work with you and you haven't replied until a week later, it's not a good sign. Might miss the job. Thanks for listening to our tips on how to organize your life.
And of course, stay on top of your game.